Okay, class, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we meet again. So we will continue our lesson with HTML. So today, I want to give guideline, how you can create links, using HTML. Okay, in this session, what we will cover, we will look at how you can links, to your browser, your internet browser. Okay, so we have many types of links. Okay, you can link into a new tab. Okay, blank tab and so on. Okay, we look on that. Okay, after that we will look on how you can use hyperlinks, anchors and link. What are the differences in the HTML? Okay, and then we will look on the creating mail, link or email link, and we will look at how you can use image to link. Okay, so first we look at how you can create HTML links. Okay, so basically what is link? So it is about address to a document. Okay, you want to go to the different page. Okay, you want to, for example, you click something and then it will jump to the other page. Okay, so where is the document or the resources that you want to link is located on the World Wide Web. Okay, or else within your own web server. Okay, so for example, you will learn PHP, so you will learn using localhost, so you create your computer or laptop as a web server. Okay, so both types of links, they are shown in the following code. So if you look at this code, so basically, you have HTML, body, and then we have P for paragraph. This is the link using HTML. So where you have a href, so A element is for the link, href is for the hyperlink reference. What is this? So this is basically your file that you want to link. So you can have a link to the HTML file, as this example, or you can also link to the other URL address. So this is example. So where you want to link to the Microsoft.com, www.microsoft.com. So make sure you have the correct URL address for that website. Okay, let us try this example. Okay, so we try using this code and then use Notepad++. Okay, after that you save as your file as usual. So make sure you save as I asked you to save in the directory one folder, for you to refer after this. So name as links, and then save as type. Make sure you choose the HTML hypertext markup language, type. So if you look at this one, this is what I have copied from the W3 School notes. Okay, so what you need to have, class, for you to link to this page, you need to have lastpage.html. Okay, let's say I don't have that page and then I just open in default view. What happened to the output in your browser? Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the link. I enlarge this one. Okay, okay, so if you look at this one, this is the code. So let's compare the HTML code and the output. Okay, so this is inside the body. So whatever that inside the body will display in your browser. So I have, this is text. So where you have A, so A is element for the link. Make sure you have start and end. And then this text means that this is the text that you want to link to the page, lastpage.html. So that's why this text appear as a underline or blue color. So means that you will click this text word, and then it will go to lastpage.html. This is just a description. So this text is a link to a web page, to a page on this website. The next one, you have the address. And then this text again, will link to the World Wide Web. So let us try. Okay, so if you go to this one, and then if you see at the bottom, okay, your here bottom here, so it will, okay, so what happened, it it will find the page last page.html, okay, so there is no page, okay, I not created yet. So that's why in links, okay, you need to have at least 2 page to link to the other page. Okay, so you cannot it is I cannot say that this not allowed to link to yourself, okay, to the same page. Yes, you can do that. Okay, but if you want to have a link, so normally you will link to the other page. Okay, and then we try to go to this link, the next one, so it will go to the Microsoft.com. Okay, so it says that the IP address could not be found. Okay, so let us check, okay, what is the correct address for Microsoft.com. Okay, here we Google. Okay, so let us try again. Okay, make sure you have the internet connection because you want to link to the World Wide Web page. Okay, so click again. Alright, and then it will go to the official or the address Microsoft. Okay, this is the address. So make sure the address is correct. Okay, so you can always look at the page. Okay, so basically this is what you will do for your first assignment. Okay, very basic link. Okay, so we'll continue. Okay, so with our notes, so basically this is what we have looked at in the browser. Okay, the output. Okay, now okay, we go to open a link in a new browser. Okay, so basically, okay, the very basic code, HTML code for a link is a href and then location. Okay, and then we have another attribute that you can put. Okay, this is a target. So target is one of the attribute in the reference in the link. Okay, so how you can create how you can link to the new blank browser. Okay, so you can have underscore blank. Okay, and then okay, last page. Okay, then this one. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, so in the between a start and then close. Okay, this is the word that you will click. Okay, and then it will go to the last page.html. Okay, okay, let us create the last page.html first. Okay, so let's say this is your last page.html. Okay, save as. Okay, last page, make sure the spelling is correct. Okay, extension.html. Okay, and then save. Okay, the most important part in link class, if you want to have link to different page, okay, so make sure you put all the files, okay, in the same folder. Okay, so this is very important. So do not have separate folders, or do not put one is in your pen drive, okay, one at your Google Drive. Okay, if you want to have a link, so make sure all the files, all the elements, for example images, okay, you put in the same folder. Okay, so my page links, okay, it will link to the last page.html, and then it is in the same folder, HTML tutorial. Okay, so now I will have some heading here. Okay, h1 as a title. Okay, I just put to have a very nice one. Okay, and then if you want to have a very nice okay, you use a paragraph. Okay, you have different line, you can also use the break. Okay, make sure you have open and close. Okay, P, P is for the paragraph. Okay, alright, so once you have edited, then make sure you save first, and then you can open in default browser. Alright, so this is the page, last page.html. Now what we want to do is we want to link this page to the, okay, we want to go back to the links.html. Okay, Alright, so this is your page. Okay, so links.html, okay, and then it will go to the last page. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, because you have in your code last page.html, so make sure that you put the same extension. Okay, even though I said that okay earlier you can have both. Okay, but if you want to use HTML, so put HTML in your code. Okay, but if you want to have HTML, so put in HTML code. Okay, so go to links.html and then change this one to HTML. So nowadays we are using the HTML, so I think it's very good for you to have that. Okay, so for you to make sure that your code is correct. Okay, all the links is correct. Okay, now it's working, right? Okay, last page.html. Okay, so this is the page, and then okay, if I want to have this link and then go back to this one, okay, so you need to put link here, okay, in the last page.html, and then you link to the what? You link to the links.html. Okay, now let us try. Okay, go to last page.html. Okay, and then here you put a href. Okay, what is the name of your file? Links.html. Okay, and then what you want to put. Okay, so click here to go back. Okay, or back. Okay, and then make sure you have close end. Okay, element. Okay, then save. Okay, so we try in the browser. Okay, we go back to the links, okay, and then refresh, then we go to the link, alright, and then now we have the back. Okay, what it will go, where it location back, so it will go back to the links.html. So I hope you can see okay how it goes for the very basic links, right? Okay, now let us try the attribute target. Okay, so underscore blank. Okay, what happened if you use this one? Okay, then save. Okay, so we'll see the output. Okay, refresh, always refresh. Okay, alright, so it will go to the new blank. Okay, alright, so we'll go to you, okay, using w3school.com website. Okay, what is the difference between blank? So actually, okay, in HTML, okay, so if you look in the w3school.com, okay, under HTML links, okay, so I want to show you about the link target attribute. Okay, so basically we have self, okay, means that opens the document in the same window or tab. Okay, and then blank, okay, open the document in a new window or tab. Okay, parent, okay, you open in the parent frame. Okay, and then top, you open the document in the full body of the window. So let us look, okay, how you can use this. Okay, so the attribute element is the attribute is the target. Okay, and then what is inside that? You have the blank. Okay, for example, you want here. Okay, and then visit W3School. So what happened? It will create new tab. Okay, and then we try using the self. Okay, run again. Okay, target equal to self, and then click, and it will display in the same. Okay, the same in the same tab, okay, or window, in the same window or tab. Okay, and then parent. So let's try parent. So if you can see the difference. Okay, right. Okay, so means that you will display in the full, okay, full page. Okay, so full page means that what? In the parent frame. Okay, so if you have, so in W3School, okay, for example, for the try, okay, browser, so they have the using the frame. Okay, so frame is division of one page you divide into several columns or rows. Okay, okay, and then we try top. If you can see the difference, and then right then top. So basically top is you will, okay, open document in the full body of the window. Okay, so almost same as the parent. right? So you can use this for your assignment, okay, to see the difference of the link. Okay, so next we look at the hyperlinks, anchors and links. Okay, what is hyperlink? So basically it's a reference and address to a resource on the website. Okay, so can point to any resources on the web. So you can point to HTML page, you can point to the image, you can point to sound file, movie and any resources on the web. Okay, while anchor is a term used to define a hyperlink destination, okay, inside a document. So anchor element A define both hyperlinks and anchors. So this is just the terms or the grounded knowledge, okay, for the links using the A element. Okay, so we will use term A element point, okay, to a resource. Okay, so and the term anchor when the element define address. Okay, okay, for example, okay, you have this one A href, okay, and then the location, URL or the name of the file. Okay, so the element content link text define the part to be displayed. So the element content does not have to be text. Okay, so this one, okay, link text can be any resources. For example, you want to use image, okay, or icon or symbols. Okay, okay, and then you have href attribute. Okay, so in this A is we call that as an element of link. Okay, href is the attribute inside that you can use inside the A element. Okay, so it define the address. Okay, so that's why you need to have URL or the file name for your HTML link. Okay, okay, so this is example. Alright, next, okay, the target attribute. Okay, as we have previously, okay, look how you can use target. So this is also the attribute, we call that as attribute. So A is the element for link, okay, href is the attribute, okay, to define your location. Okay, target is for the link document will be open. Okay, how you want to open the document? Is it you want to have blank, new page, or new tab, new window, and so on. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have shown you earlier, right? Okay, next. So we look at the name attribute. So when the name attribute is used, okay, the A element defines name anchor inside an HTML document. Okay, so this is the name label. So you can have a label. Okay, and then if the browser cannot find a name anchor that has been specified, it goes to the top of the document, no error occurs. Okay, so this is to prevent the error of your link or your page. Okay, okay, for example, okay, you have name tips, useful tip section, link to the useful tip section. Okay, and then this is the link, jump to the hashtag. Okay, we will see what is the hashtag tips. Okay, for. Okay, so this is how you can use the combination. Okay, okay, so this is the link. Okay, next, okay, we want to link to this same page. So how you can do that? Okay, we can use, okay, in the same page. Okay, if you see some of the web page, they are linked, okay, on the top, bottom, okay, in the same page, not to the different page where you have different name of the HTML file. Okay, so you can use hashtag. Okay, so we call that as a bookmark. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so you need to have, okay, this is href is the attribute for the location, right? Okay, before this you use the name of the file, HTML, and also you use the link URL address to the website. Okay, so another option you can use hashtag. Okay, what is hashtag C4? So this is the link or the address, okay, that you want to jump in the same page. Okay, so how you do that? Okay, for example, hashtag C4 will go to the see also chapter 4. Okay, it will jump to the see also chapter 4. So where is the see? How your code know the location of chapter 4? Okay, so how you define that? So you must put an reference here. Okay. So this one, okay, so you want to have that link go to the chapter 4, So name as label, okay, using name, okay, name attribute. So A, okay, and then name the location that you want to have at the C4. Okay, do not put the hashtag. So hashtag is for the reference, okay, href. Okay, so this is C4 is for the something like you bookmark your location. Okay. Okay, so let us try. So normally this one you need to try if you have more or lengthy page. Okay, so that and then you can see the difference. If you just have a very short content, so you cannot see the difference for the link. Okay, let's try. Okay, so let's say this is your content. Okay, so very lengthy, so you save as. Okay, for example, this one you want to have something like menu. Okay, we save as name first. We use that as bookmark. Okay, and then you can see this one. Okay, after this I will show you the in the w3school.com. Okay, where you can refer to the examples. Okay, save as bookmark. Okay, again, so remember this one is to link to the same page. Okay. Okay, and then what happens, so basically you have so many chapters. For example, in this example 17, and then you want to jump to the chapter 4. Okay, so we go to the browser to see the output. Alright, so now, okay, so if you have something like this, it will go to the chapter 4, right? So can you see? Okay, again I show you. I enlarge this one. Okay. Okay, so I want to go to this one. Okay, but this one we don't have any long content, so basically sometimes you cannot see chapter 4. It is at the bottom. Okay, so now chapter 4 will be on the top. Okay, and then if you have experience, okay, browsing a website that you have go to the top. Okay, that one is using the bookmark concept. Okay. So let's say we edit that one, and then we want to go back to the top. Okay, so where we want to put this? Okay, this one, chapter 4. So inside chapter 4, okay, this chapter is explained blah blah blah. Okay, and then we have here a href. Okay, where we want to go? We want to go to the top. Okay, for example. Okay, and then if you want to have href here, so you need to put hashtag. Okay, this is for the address. To replace the name of the file, okay, .html, or to replace to the URL address. Okay, and then what you want to put? Top. Okay, and then /a. Don't forget to have the start and end a. Okay, it will supposedly go to the C also chapter 4. Okay, but how? So I need to put here the name. Okay, so a name equal to top. Okay, double quote here. Okay, and then close. Okay, if you want to put top. Okay, /a. Or sometimes you don't have that one lah, right? Okay, refresh. Okay, refresh again. Alright, refresh this one. Okay, see also chapter 4. Okay, and then you go to back. Okay, it will go to this one. Okay. Alright, again. Okay, I show you again. Okay, so basically, so this is chapter 4. Okay, see also chapter 4. Okay, I don't want to have top here. Okay, we just make it blank. Alright. Okay, and then what is my mistake? Okay, because I don't have this one. Okay, see also chapter 4. Okay, this is the link. Okay, it will go to chapter 4, and then you have another link to go to the top or back again. Okay, something like this, right? Okay, so I hope you can try this one. This is very good also for your design for your first assignment. Okay, so next we look at how you can create an email link. Okay, when user click your email address, or when user click at the email image, it will go to your email address. So you need to use a element for the link, of course. Okay, after that, href attribute. Okay, so before this, okay, we have learned href to the HTML file, href to the www website, okay, address, and then href to the hashtag, okay, which is the bookmark. Okay, next one, you can use href mail to, okay, attribute mail to double dot, and then this is your address email. Okay, okay, for example, this is the content subject, hello again. Okay, so and then you will have the text that click, and then it will send the email. Okay, okay, so we look at this one. Okay, so this is, okay, the link, click send email, it will go to the mail address. Okay, okay, so let us try this one. Okay, so make sure your address, you know the address correctly. Okay, open Notepad, paste, and then save as. Okay, so name is mail. Okay, and then put the HTML, and then save. Alright, then after that you open the browser. Alright, so this is an email link. So send email, where it will go. So normally it will go to the Outlook, okay, by default in your Windows. Okay, and then it will send mail someone underscore Microsoft. Okay, wait, because this is quite, it's time. Okay, to open your Microsoft Outlook. Alright, that is, okay, it will go to your Microsoft. Okay, what you have setting. Okay, so let's say you want to set to your Gmail. Okay, for example, this is your address, so it will go to, this is the address that you have put in your, okay, someone at microsoft.com. Okay, with the subject hello 20. So this is the subject. Okay, automatically it will have subject hello again. Okay, hello percent is the percent 20 is the space. Okay, hello again. Right, okay, this is how it works. Very nice. So you can, this one is also one of the important link, because normally in a website you need to have your contact, okay, address. So normally we will put email address as one of the contact information. Okay, so the following example demonstrate complicated mail to link. So you can not only generate new email, so you can have a CC, BCC, subject line, okay, the message body. So this is how it works. Okay, so CC, okay, so you want to CC to the other person address, so you put your address here. Okay, and if you want to have BCC, so you have this code, okay, or address. Okay, and if you want to have subject, okay, this is a subject. So subject, okay, space summer space party, okay, and then you have the content, the body. So body means the content of your email. Okay, you are invited to a big summer party. So remember, percent 20 is the space. Okay, okay, so this is, you can code. So normally we put this one is for the default email. Okay, so let's say you want to have a auto reply, so you can put this one, okay, in your code. Okay, next one we look at how you can use image, okay, as your link. So I have shown you how you can use text, okay, as your link. So what happened, you combine the element of A is for link, img is for the image, and then for image you need to have src is the sources of your email image. So make sure you save your image first inside the same folder as your link file. Okay, so you must put in the same folder. Okay, and then, okay, what is alt alternate? So it will have name of the your image. Okay, and then width and height is the size. Okay, using pixel. Okay, so let us try this one. Okay, and then save as. Okay, link underscore img. Okay, and then don't forget, okay, always remember to save as HTML. Alright. Okay, so now I open in the browser. Okay, supposedly it will link to the what is the name again? Smiley.gif. Okay, it will not link, it will use smiley.gif. Supposedly this is the image. Okay, so what happened? Why we don't have image here? Because I don't have the part inside my folder. Okay, so I need to find one. Okay, make sure the name is correct. Same. Okay. So, okay, let us find smiley.gif. Okay, let's say I want to have this one. Okay, to put as my image link. Okay, you need to save as image, save image as. Okay, and then remember to put in the folder that same as your HTML link file. Okay, where is it? Okay, where I put it? Okay, so save as. Okay, I put in the HTML here. Okay, make sure the name is same as in your notebook. What is our name? Smiley.gif. Okay. Okay, smiley. Okay, make sure you find GIF, not JPG. So if you have used JPG, so change in your code JPG. Okay. Okay, so let us try now. Okay, open in a new default viewer. Okay, so now we have the okay. What happened to this one? Okay. Well, I have this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the okay. So if you link, suppose it will go to where? Okay, where is the location? So what is your code here? So basically you don't have, okay, you just have default.html. Okay, okay, let's say I want to link to the last page, okay, that I have created, or I want to go to the links, okay, .html. Okay, this one I want to go to the last page, okay, .html. Okay, and then save. Okay, and then refresh here. Okay, once refresh, so it will go to the links here. Okay, okay, and then it will go to the last page. Oh, okay, I have spelled it incorrectly. So okay, again, look again at the code. So always careful. Okay, class. Alright. Okay, so this one, it will go to this one. Okay, this is how it works in terms of the link. So you combine more than one. So for your first assignment, which is your e-portfolio, okay, at least you have 5 pages to links, right? Okay. Okay, so that's all we have learned about very basic link. So we have learned about links. Okay, you can link to the new page, okay, the other page using HTML page. You can link to the website URL. Okay, and then you can use text as your link, you can use image as your link. Okay, and then you can link to the email. Okay, and then you can link in the same page, okay, using bookmark. Okay, so I hope you can try all the exercise hands-on, okay, in this notes. Okay, or you can always see or refer to the W3 School website. Okay. Okay, so that's all about HTML links. So we will continue our lesson with the HTML image. Thank you very much.